Welcome to this tutorial on how to send money with PayPal, a convenient and secure way to transfer funds online. To get started, you will need a PayPal account, which you can create for free on the PayPal website. First, log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Send and Request tab at the top of the page. This will take you to a new page where you can enter the recipient's email address or phone number. You can also select from your list of existing contacts if you have sent money to this person before. Next, enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. You can choose from a variety of currencies, including US dollars, euros, and pounds. Make sure to select the correct currency to avoid any conversion fees. Now, choose the payment method. You can use your PayPal balance, bank account, credit card, or debit card. If you are using a credit or debit card, you will need to enter the card details. If you are using your bank account, you will need to confirm the transaction. Add a note to the payment if you want to include a message with the transaction. This can be useful if you are sending money to a friend or family member and want to include a personal message. Review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct. Check the recipient's email address, the amount, and the payment method. If everything is correct, click the Send button to complete the transaction. It is also important to note that PayPal charges a small fee for some transactions, such as cross-border payments or payments using a credit or debit card. These fees will be displayed before you complete the transaction. To keep your PayPal account secure, make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access. In conclusion, sending money with PayPal is a quick and easy process. By following these steps, you can securely transfer funds to anyone with a PayPal account. Remember to always review the transaction details carefully and be aware of any fees that may apply.